the street was anticipating. But back to Mahindra and Mahindra, the numbers that came in just a few minutes ago. Sudarshan is here to break those down for us. Sudarshan, how do the numbers look like?
It's a very good set of numbers, and the biggest positive surprise is on the margin front. It has come in at 14.5% versus our expectation of 13.9%, and this is largely led by the tractor segment, which has seen a margin of almost 20%, almost a gain of 400 basis points if you compare year on year. Auto margin remains healthy around 9%. Revenue growth has come in line, almost seen a growth of 21%. Profit too has seen a growth of almost 18%, and EBITDA, as expectation, has seen a jump of almost 23%. In SUV, company remains number one player as far as the volumes are concerned, has gained market share there also. In LCV, which has in less than 3.5 tons, there also company has gained the market share. There also it remains number one player. Now the important part is realization. I assume that company might have taken the price hike, and that's the reason there is a sharp increase in realization also, because we were expecting that there might be a fall in the realization at least by 1% year on year, but company has reported an increase of 1%, 3% year on year. So there also company has seen a good improvement. Now, in the commentary, that would be very important, because see, M&M has underperformed its peers as far as the performance in 2025 is concerned. I'm talking about the stock. It's up around 80 to 20% versus uptick that we have seen for Maruti or other stocks. Maruti is up almost 40%. So now, post the recent GST rate cut and the festive boost, and already everyone knows that how the demand has been for SUV. On the weekend only, company has announced October auto sales. There also we have seen a growth of almost 27% for SUV. Even tractor has reported a growth of 13% versus expectation of almost flat. So it's across the board, company is doing very well, and also it's been launching electric vehicles, and so the new launches that we are expecting from Mahindra and Mahindra this month. New version of Thar company is going to launch. New version of Bolero company is going to launch. So in the commentary, the all expectation would be, if company says, what does company talk about the outlook for tractor segment, because there is a huge uptick in the tractor segment, mainly because of the rural uptick that we have been seeing, and also in SUV demand. And on the back of strong SUV demand, if we can see an increase in the outlook for FY26, and what's the strategy behind the meeting CAFE 3 emission norms, and also regarding the new launches. But as far as the numbers are concerned, it's a very strong set of numbers from Mahindra and Mahindra.
That point, Sudarshan, it's a good set of numbers coming in from Mahindra and Mahindra, and also take your point on the stock being a bit of an underperformer as versus peers in this calendar year. But remember, from the start of 2024, in fact, all of 2024, we had seen the stock nearly double. But be that as it may, the stock has moved to the high point of trade. Obviously, management commentary on the way forward would be crucial to track. Margins are a beat on M&M. The stock continues to rally ahead with a fair amount of triggers straight ahead of M&M as well. Meanwhile, we're